In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Claude application not working. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can give a fresh restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Next up, launch your Claude app and try to log out and log in back. This might resolve the issue. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Claude. After app appears, click on it. Now if you see the option of update over here, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check the server status of Claude. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in server status Claude and search for it. Navigate to the official website of it. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete Claude app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Claude app should work in your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.